In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Memberstack in Webflow. Memberstack tutorial. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Memberstack connected to your Webflow site and ready to power signups, logins, and gated content. All you'll need is access to your Memberstack dashboard and your Webflow project. Start by opening your Memberstack dashboard. On the onboarding screen, look for the Welcome section. This is where Memberstack provides the installation snippet you'll add to Webflow. You should see an option to copy the code. Go ahead and click Copy. This snippet securely loads Memberstack on your site and lets it communicate with your project. Don't worry. This is a standard embed and it won't change your design. It simply enables Memberstack features to run. Now switch over to Webflow and open the project you want to connect. From your project, head into Site Settings. Inside Site Settings, find the Custom Code tab. This is where Webflow lets you add code that loads across your entire site, which is exactly what we want for Memberstack. In the Custom Code area, locate the Head Code field. Click into that field and paste the code you copied from Memberstack. Placing it in the head ensures the script loads early, so Memberstack can manage authentication and content visibility as soon as the page renders. If you've added other scripts before, keep this snippet intact and avoid duplicating it. Once the snippet is in place, click Save to lock in your changes. Saving doesn't immediately push the code live, so the next step is crucial. Click Publish your site, choose the domain or domains you want to publish to, and then click Publish. Publishing applies the custom code to your live site. If you have both a staging domain and a custom domain, publish to both so you can test safely first and then go live. Give it a moment for the changes to propagate. After publishing, visit your site to confirm everything loads as expected. If you're using a content blocker or aggressive caching, try a hard refresh or an incognito window. From here, you can return to Memberstack to configure memberships, sign up modals, and gated pages, knowing the core installation is complete. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep the snippet in the site level head so it runs on every page. Always publish after any custom code changes. And avoid sharing sensitive project details publicly. That's it. Memberstack is now installed in your Webflow site and ready for your next steps.